gee ntị na voice a voice note a nchọ iple ebe a ka ịnụ ife anyị na-afụzi n'obodo a na nke ikpeazụ a ka ịgwa m na ife ezubere ọrụ that mmadụ ịmara ife that onye nwere uche ịmarụ na obodo a na-atọnụzi to something else ka ị gee ntị ka ịnụ ife fa kwuru ebe a gbasara ụlọ ọgwụ fao gee ntị nene gee ntị wụcha ntị ya ọfụma ka ịnụ ife voice note a na-ekwu.
May you please stand up and leave our hospital. Thank you very much. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. If you are not a South African citizen, please leave our hospital. You need to go and seek medical attention from a private facility, not here anymore.
We are supporting March in March organization. We have started already here to activate hospitals, and the message is very clear. We don't want foreign nationals, documents, no documents.
This is specifically to the MECs of Health and the Minister of Health. Stop threatening us with prison. Stop threatening us with prison. It's either you join us in this fight, not unless niyohlangana nemambe ephuza umhluzi. Good morning, my good doctors. How are you? How are you, my good doctors? Anyone who's not a South African citizen, just because of their this side, please stabilize them. After they've been stabilized, you can discharge them. These people, they have too much privileges to have files in our hospital. It ends here and it ends now. It's a South African public hospital. Anyone who's not a South African citizen here may please be stabilized. After that, they leave our hospital.
I just want to send a big thank you to our Patriotic Alliance team. We've been working well together before we even met each other, and now we get to meet each other and continue the patriotic work that we're doing.
My good doctors, may you please stabilize all the foreign nationals. After they've been stabilized, can you please discharge them? They need to go seek medical attention from a private facility, not here. The Constitution allows that. Immigration Act 13 of 2002, Section 17, it simply states that a foreign national needs to have a medical permit and it needs to go to a private facility. You are a refugee. You came here legally. They could have directed you to the camp. So they could have, whoever who allowed you to be a refugee here, not unless you bought your documents. So whoever who allowed you here.
Problem is it? South Africa doesn't even have one single doesn't have a refugee camp.
I'm not in the camp. Okay.
Whose problem
is it?
If I'm not
let me answer you then.
Who's the camp so I can go to?
Okay.
Which country do you come from?
I'm from Congo.
You're from Congo. What is the nearest country to Congo? If you're seeking refuge in South Africa, because according to foreign policy,
you're supposed to go
you must migrate to them. So you cannot come to South Africa, seek refuge in a wrong country and ask us silly questions, ma'am.
No, the government.
Which government? Which government you're talking about?
Let me tell you something. Shh, keep quiet. We don't have time to reason with foreigners. Leave, my guy.
Let's go, ma'am.
No.
Let's go, ma'am.
Shush. Leave.
Let's go.
Don't reason with foreigners. We don't want the rest. You ran away from your problems. You came here.
You go.
You have your own government. Go vote there.
We are not going to stop. We are not going to tone down the heat. We are going to intensify.
Only all hospitals, all public hospitals in KZN, all public clinics in KZN are for South Africans only. Do not ever come back here when you get.
In addition to that, my good doctors, after you release these people, you can write them their scripts, but they're not going to use our pharmacy. They must get their medication from private hospitals or from pharmacies, registered pharmacies. No one will get any medication from our hospital if you know that you're not a South African citizen.
The whole of South Africa